So you know when you cut the nail and blood comes out, it's called that you've quicked the nail.
Yeah.
So there are products available in the market like styptic powder, you know, or sometimes you can even use potassium permanganate. The only problem with potassium permanganate is कि it stains.
Stains the nail.
Yeah, it will stain the entire this thing. आप potassium permanganate में एक छोटा सा वो भी लो and you put water, it's like
Yeah.
you know पूरा
That's true.
like रंग बिरंगा types. It's like all purple everywhere. So sometimes it is actually better to quick the nails, right, than to let them grow too long. Why? Because when the nail is not flat, the paw is not flat on the ground, it's going to go upwards, right?
Okay.
Right? So by going upwards, what happens is you're putting pressure here, you're putting pressure here, you're putting pressure here, you're putting pressure here. So it's actually more harmful.
मतलब सिर्फ एक नाखून ठीक से अगर आप नहीं काटो तो आपका प्रेशर, जैसे हमारा है हिप स्पाइन कनेक्टेड टू ऑल द अदर जॉइंट्स इन द सेम, बट जस्ट नाखून अगर आप ठीक से नहीं काटो,
बिकॉज़ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट, वो पीछे वो धक्का दे रहा है कॉन्स्टेंटली, इट्स पुशिंग दैट टो बैक कॉन्स्टेंटली, right? So the dog is compensating to release this pressure, it's putting pressure here, to release this it's putting here, to release this it's putting here. Right, which is going to
affecting the spine.
Yeah, it's affecting the spine.
So from nails, let's go to the ears, because अलग-अलग breeds के अलग-अलग shape होते हैं कानों के, and that way ज़्यादा बहुत sensitive होते हैं. कई dogs को, do the cats have the same problems with the ear cleaning?
They do, some of them do, but cats don't have drop ears.
Correct. और जो all the dogs that have this droppy ears, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा
they do
infection, ear mites happen, and you know, and that's so torturous. With these dogs, you need to go Cocker Spaniels and all, you have to deal with that. Is there anything like too much of ear cleaning?
Yes. Because if you're going to be cleaning your dog's ears every day, you're going to be removing the natural oils.
Okay.
Right? And अगर natural oils आपने ज़्यादा निकाल दिया, then there's not going to be any lubrication.
Okay.
Which can lead to dryness.
Okay.
Which can lead to scratching, which is kind of counter-effective to what you're trying to do.
When it becomes बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो गया, ज़्यादा clean करने से, और उन्होंने scratch किया, ऐसे तो नहीं है कि वो अंदर हाथ डाल के, उनका paw डाल के थोड़ी scratch कर रहे हैं, तो why should it be?
If it's not lubricated enough, they're going to feel itchy, right?
Okay.
So in a dog like a golden retriever, for example, अगर वो ears को scratch कर रहे हैं बहुत, एक तो उनके nails से they are able to injure themselves.
Okay.
Right? Another thing is that I don't know if you know something called a hematoma. A hematoma is basically when there's like a fluid filled between the ear flap.
Right.
Okay, you will see it in a lot of these street dogs. Right? Because they've been scratching and they injure the ear flap.
Right.
And there's like fluid that fills in.
Right.
Inside, you know.
Yeah.
So again, now that becomes a very, very uncomfortable thing for them. So yes, we do need to clean the ears, maybe twice a week or once a week, depending on अगर गंदे हो रहे हैं तो आप साफ करो. अगर ears are not looking dirty, once a week is more than enough to clean your dog's ears. You know, you don't need to. I mean, even for us, we don't need to clean our ears every single day.